How to set favorite channels on YouTube TV. Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set your favorite channels on YouTube TV, so you can organize your guide and find your go-to shows faster. Step 1. Open YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app on your phone, tablet, or smart TV. Or go to tv.youtube.com in a web browser. Make sure you're signed into your account. Step 2. Go to Live tab. Tap or click the Live tab at the bottom or top of the screen. This is where your live channel guide appears. Step 3. Customize channel order. On mobile or web, tap the sort icon. It may look like sliders or settings. Select Custom to rearrange channels manually. Now drag and drop your favorite channels to the top. These will act like your favorites and show up first in your guide. Step 4. Save your changes. Your changes are saved automatically. The next time you open YouTube TV, your favorite channels will be at the top of the live guide. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more YouTube TV tips and tutorials.